Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you the execution of swapping of two numbers using Python. Okay. So for that go to Python idle. Now go to file, open a new file. So here write down the code. So what is the aim of my program? I have to swap, I have to perform swapping of two numbers. So for that I require two variables. So I am taking a variable a and I am assigning a value of 10 to that variable, and I am taking another variable b and I am assigning a value of 20 to that variable. Okay. So I just want to print the values of a and b before swapping. So the values of a and b before swapping is okay. So just I am going to print these two variable values. Next, so what is the logic here for swapping of two numbers? For that I require a temporary variable. So for that I am taking a temporary variable temp. So the temp is holding a value of a now. Temp equal to a equal to b, b equal to temp. So this is the logic for swapping of two numbers. So see here, whatever may be the value which is stored in a, that is now assigned to temp. That means a is holding a value of 10, that is now being stored now in temporary variable, and b is assigned to a. So b is holding 20, that is now being stored in a. So a is now holding a value of 20, and b equal to temp, that is temp is now holding here a values, as a value is being stored in temp, that means temp is now holding 10. So the 10 value is being now assigned to b. So a equal to 20, b equal to 10. So these are the values which a and b now holding, right? So I just want to print those values. So print of the values of a and b after swapping is okay. So a comma b. So see here. So a is 10, b equal to 20. I just print the values of a and b before swapping. And next, for swapping, what is the logic I need to follow? I need one temporary variable. Okay. So for that purpose, I have taken a temp variable. So whatever may be the value which is stored in a, I am now assigning to temp. And whatever may be the value which is stored in b, that I am now assigning to a. So now a is holding the value of b, that is 20. So in temp I'm having a's value, that is 10. Now that a value, that means the temporary value, is now being assigned to b. So now a became 20, b became 10, right? I am just printing those two values. So this is the logic of swapping. Okay. Now I am going to save this program, save as some sample program, samp.py. Okay, save. Okay, now I am running the code. Go to run module. So see, the values of a and b before swapping is 10 and 20. The values of a and b after swapping is 20, 10. So this is my output. Got it?